R. Games Tukaduntin.
A division of shooting starmen.
Space. Multiverse. Throughout the multiverse, a desperate cry for heroism echoed across the stars. As evil Lord Space's evil ambitions pushed the cosmos to the edge, trust and faith began to fade. But in the darkest moment, a heroic figure emerged to illuminate the path forward. Starman Space, a courageous and powerful superhero, was destined to revive the spirit of trust, peace, and security throughout the galaxy. Returning the magic bird. Space Multiverse.
We need to return the magic bird to its home. It's the only way to restore balance.
Do we know the exact location?
Wherever it is, I'm ready. If King Betroyer's there, I'll finally get payback for what he did to me.
Growing Space, I've uploaded the coordinates. You're our driver.
With honor. And Tiger, if we find that villain, I know you'll teach him a lesson he'll never forget.
Remember, the magic bird must be released at the Sacred Hill. Only there can it regenerate its powers.
Arriving now. Ready for teleport. Stay alert. This planet's full of danger.
We are
We're
here.
here.
Look, those two birds in the sky. Yellow and brown. They don't belong here.
I've seen them before. On another planet. Something's not right.
They're scouts, not from this world. Be ready.
Came to play hero again. This time your journey ends. For good.
Stand down, Queen. Surrender before it's too late.
We're here to return the bird. Peace will rise again.
Then enjoy your farewell gift.
You're not escaping this time. I'll trap you in my bubbles.
We always run into these weird, ugly things.
Oh yeah, this is what I needed. Action, baby.
I know who you are. Please, heroes, save my daughter. She's on the Red Fire planet, but belongs to Aqua Water. They want to destroy her.
Another mission is calling us, but this one is urgent.
Please, my daughter's life is in danger. She's innocent. She needs your help.
Team, we're heading to the Red Fire planet. Let's go save her.
Dear valued supporters, we would like to take this opportunity to express our sincere appreciation for your subscription and engagement with our content. Notifying your family, friends, and neighbors about our YouTube channel, Cartoon Space Multiverse, would be greatly beneficial in helping us expand our audience. Your continued support through likes, shares, comments, and notifications is crucial to our success, and we are grateful for your loyalty. Thank you very much.